Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure forwarding option in Telegram. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Telegram app on your phone. Once you do that, then you click on the message you want to forward to another friend of yours. So I'm just going to click on this particular user. So I'm just going to click on this. Then I'll click on the forwarding option, the forward option. And from here I'll click on the users, the other person that wants to forward the message to. So I'm just going to click on this particular user. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Okay, good. You can see this is the person I want to forward this message to. So for me to be able to configure the forwarding option, is either you click on this arrow button right here that brings out the forwarding option, or probably you click on this S button. Once you do that, then it asks you to ask if you want to show the forwarding option. So I'm just going to click on show. Then right here it will bring out the forwarding options list, and from there you can configure your forwarding option for more better privacy in Telegram. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.